This video is sponsored by Delta Faucet. Our guest bath is finally complete. Thanks to Delta Faucets for sponsoring this video. It has certainly brought change into our daily routine, and I'm sharing how we turn our dated bath from this to this. Let me take you on our journey. Some of you may remember me going to Stowe, Vermont to learn more about Delta Faucets and to see some of the amazing Delta Faucet fixtures installed in the HGTV Dream Home in Stowe, Vermont. Although it would have been nice to see the Dream Home in person, it was canceled due to safety guidelines and restrictions. With that being said, it was such an amazing experience, and we got to see beautiful designs and tons of inspiration. This is our split bathroom design. It's separate from the Get Cute area, which is actually a brilliant design, especially when it's a shared space. Now let's dive into the recap of the before. It was begging for a remodel. This bathroom has the exact same cabinetry, countertops, lighting, and flooring in all of our bathrooms. It's all builder's grade. We always knew we wanted to remodel all of the bathrooms in our home when we purchased it, but this is something that you want to take your time on doing. Baby steps, you guys. You don't want to go house poor. This man needs no introduction. You guys know my wizard genius contractor Frank is on the job. He had helped this day to get the demo done. That took them no time to do. Tub, shower, toilet is off this area, and I couldn't wait for the new bathtub. Frank was checking out the pipes and things before he set the tub. On to designing my all-time favorite girl at Lowe's. Hey Christy, she helped me out so much with the cabinetry and choosing the color and the style, and to keep costs down, I didn't want or needed to go custom. Lowe's have in-stock cabinetry with many colors to choose from when you order online. Another cost-effective way to keep the budget down is to shop your local stone fabricator store. They usually have ribnets, which is leftovers from a big previous job. I was lucky enough to find the perfect size and color countertop for the bathroom. It took about 12 days for the new countertops to arrive in one slab. If my entryway was small and narrow, they would have had to cut it to get it in, but thank goodness it went in perfectly. The hardest part about designing is finding that one tile that speaks to you. Honestly, it took me several trips to find that one tile to put above the sinks. Yep, a whole wall of tile, Carrara marble tile that is, that the hubster chose. Thing about this tile is that it can give you two different looks by laying it vertically or horizontally. I chose vertically because it gives you the look of a diamond shape and it makes the room look bigger. Here's another tip: if you are remodeling your tub or shower, add a niche in the wall of your shower or bath. It's really inexpensive and easy to do. You reap the benefits of having a permanent place to store your shampoo bottles, body washes, and soaps without interrupting the bath or shower footprint, and you can tile right over it. Delta Faucet powers meaningful, lasting change in people's daily lives through water. Classic traditional is our style, and that's why we chose. The elegant style of the Victorian collection was inspired by the fleur de lis, a stylized lily that has been a symbol of elegance and sophistication for centuries. This design makes a statement in any traditional style with classic, timeless architecture. Delta's exclusive diamond seal Victorian two-handle widespread bathroom faucet in chrome that I'm absolutely in love with. Let me tell you more about it. Technology uses a valve with a tough diamond coating. Inoflex PEX waterways keep water inside the faucet out of contact with potential metal contaminants. This powerful combination brings you a faucet built to last up to 5 million uses. Our guest shower experience will be even better with the control and the flexibility of the Delta hand shower. While other products may gather unsightly buildup, over time, Delta soft rubber touch clean spray holes allow any mineral residue to simply be wiped away for an instantly refreshed look, with no need for soaking or the aid of chemical cleaners. The 3-setting hand shower includes a full body massaging and drenching spray, a 69-inch hose, which is perfect for showering yourself, loved ones, and your fur babies, and most of all, it's a great help for keeping your shower and tub clean. And let's not forget about this wall bar with adjustable slide for tall or short bathers. The Delta MultiChoice integrated shower diverter consolidates custom shower design with its consumer-preferred streamlined style, eliminating the need for an additional diverter valve. I love the regal accents that really commands your attention. If you are not doing a remodel of your bath, but you want to change, this is one of the quickest, simplest upgrades you can make to your shower just by replacing the head. Delta has a wide range of styles and innovations, and the install is less than 20 minutes. The Victorian single-setting rain can shower head in chrome is stunning. The versatile design allows you to mount it from the ceiling or the wall. It has a touch-clean spray hose that release buildup with just a touch. It's a simple DIY project for any homeowner. There are so many reasons why we went with having Delta's curved frameless tub and shower sliding door. The curved design allows for more bathing space. It opens easily from both sides for the ease of entry, and the sturdy top guide system provides support in a smooth operation and a quiet close. Flex Strip low profile water barrier helps to keep the water in the tub, and might I add, it's comfortable to lean on when bathing a child or a pet, and most of all, it's easy to clean. Here's the final reveal, a relaxing, spacious, functional bathroom for our family and our guests. The mosaic tile steals the show. It turned out beautifully. It's a high gloss finish and it's veining that stands out. I think it's a timeless look to last a long time, and I've intentionally chose the countertop with the subtle veining. It goes so well with the mosaic tile. We got rid of that long massive mirror and upgraded with 2 wall mirrors that was only $139 each. This was a more affordable option than doing custom. Our old cabinetry was builder's grade kitchen cabinets, which wasn't our choice. It came with the house when we purchased it. We upgraded to something better with doors and very deep drawers, which is perfect for 2 people sharing the space. The hardware didn't come with it, which is fine because I prefer to choose my own. The chrome finish goes well with the chrome faucet, the mirrors, and the towel holder. I did do something different on the doors. Instead of pulls, I chose this cupboard latch, which is classic. The vintage-inspired design won me over. We chose porcelain tile on the flooring that's made to look like marble, and we carried the same tile into the toilet, shower, bath area, even carried it up to the shower wall and up to the ceiling. Now for a little countertop styling. You guys know how much I love marble anything. It's classic and timeless, and it looks great in any space. I have this piece in all of our bathrooms, even in my kitchen, because I only paid $6.99 at Ross stores. It gives your home an ambiance of clean and elegance that pairs perfectly with a bold and bright colorful faux or real arrangement. I chose this coral colored arrangement that's perfect for the summer months and maybe even fall, plus it adds that softness against the hard surfaces. And you guys know my obsession with Williams-Sonoma's hand soaps and the metal pumps, lending a pop of glam. Delta's Victorian double robe hook is meant for robes, but I chose this because you could hang a hand towel and a washcloth, and I love the chrome finish, and best of all, installation was a breeze. It's perfect for the weekend DIYer. To complete the look in the shower, I chose a 24-inch Victorian towel bar and toilet paper holder in chrome. Install took no time. It's the perfect project for the weekend DIYer. To get the complete luxury experience, you must have a soft, fluffy towels. And this color coral is perfect for the spring, summer, and can even carry over into the fall season. And of course, soft, silky rugs for your feet. Hope this has motivated you guys to dive in and update your spaces in your own home with Delta Faucets. It has truly leveled up our home, and I'd like to give Delta Faucet a sincere thank you for sponsoring this video, and I'll have clickable links to Delta Faucet for your shopping convenience, and I want to thank you all for watching.